19. Provide online homework help. If you are an expert on any subject, then stop sleeping on it. You can make money online using that knowledge by providing online homework help during your spare time. If you did not know, there is a huge demand for online tutors who can help students with their homework and assignments, etc. The reason for the high demand for online tutors is because students are required to submit their assignments on time, and sometimes they can fall behind and need help. You will therefore find that it is challenging for many of them to meet the deadlines of their assignments, especially if they have to prepare for examinations at the same time. In order for you to make money with online homework help, here are some steps you can take. Apply for online homework help jobs. Register with freelancing sites such as Freelancer, Guru, Upwork, etc., and apply for the numerous jobs that are available on these sites. There are also several companies online that you can select from and apply for jobs with. Among the numerous companies, you can try applying with tutor.com, onlinetutoring.com, and many others. As you apply for the jobs, you need to confirm and make sure that the company you want to work with is credible and trustworthy. However, you can start with these two examples since they have a proven track record. Create a website. Start your own website and list all the subjects you can provide homework help with, along with pricing and a way to schedule appointments. Starting your own website can make you more money than working for someone else, but it might take time to become established. You can decide to employ other people who are experts like you once you realize that you are getting too many clients. If you realize that there is someone who is interested in working with you and is experienced in other subjects, do not hesitate to include that person on your website. All you have to do is to update your website and include the additional subject or subjects to your previous list. Use a bulletin board. You can consider putting your offer on a bulletin board at a nearby school. This is just another way of attracting clients. In this case, you will have to post regularly so that you can get traffic to your website. Again, you need to have superior knowledge of the subject you want to offer the homework help for. Provide excellent services. After getting clients, you now need to provide excellent service no matter which of the above steps you have taken. This will make you get even more clients, since the ones you have served will refer others to you. How much money can I make from providing homework help online? Depending on your experience and expertise on the subject you choose to offer, you can charge from as little as $3 to $50 per hour. Most people who do such jobs charge between $10 and $20, but that depends on your location and the complexity of what is required.